Okay, today is 7 September 2024. This is Gabriel Todop, and this is Joseph Cowley, another name Father Brown. And we've got this young strongman. They built this road. This road was broken for almost some months, almost 6-8 months, close to a year. But they start building this road now, and these are the young men. They are engineering this road with the idea they came up, which was they used the bag to build a basket, making the dirt inside, and they started to build a local basket, and they will fill up this space with the dirt. So this is the other team. They are on the process of digging the dirt and taking the bags, while the other team out there, they they're lining up the bags as a basket, and they're preparing a place to fill up this broken holes, so that the car will travel on this road as normal as it used to be. This is the tent. Our uncle from Mount Kuta, Parwim, this is Pastor Oxy, Stanley, and this is Cubs, short name for Kupa, and we've got the other team here. Some they went to the village, some they went to get cats water. So this is Salman. We've got a lot of local boys.